Welcome to this video on basic data types in Python. We'll explore Python's fundamental data types and how to use them effectively. First, we have the integer or int data type, which represents whole numbers. Here we assign positive, negative, and zero values to variables x, y, and z. We then print the value of x and its data type using the backquote function. Running the code shows the output for x is 42, and its type is indeed int. Next is the float data type, which is used for numbers with decimal points. Examples include price, pi, and temperature, demonstrating positive and negative floating point numbers. We print the value and type of price. The output confirms the price is 19.99, and its type is float. Strings, or str, represent text data and are enclosed in single, double, or triple quotes for multi-line strings. We define name, message, and multi-line We'll print the value and type of name. The script outputs the string Alice, and its data type is confirmed as str. Booleans, or bool, represent logical values, true or false. Variables like is _active and is _logged and are set to true and false. We also show how a comparison operation produces a Boolean result. The output shows the Boolean values for is _active and the comparison 5 greater than 3 which are both true. The type of is _active is confirmed as bool. Python allows for type conversion using functions like int, float, and str. We convert a string to an integer to a float, and a float to a string. The output verifies the successful conversion, showing the new values and their corresponding data types. Python is dynamically typed, meaning a variable's data type can change after it's been assigned. Here, variable x is first an integer, then a string, and finally a float. The output demonstrates how x dynamically changes type as it is reassigned, confirming Python's dynamic typing nature. Key takeaways include remembering the core types: integers for whole numbers, floats for decimals, strings for text, and booleans for true or false values. Python is dynamically typed, and you can always check a variable's type using type.